Au I te pō I te ao. He manawa kapa ōpango.
First time I put on that jersey, felt like you're actually putting on a Superman cape. You felt 10 foot tall.
No te tau 1990, I timata a Ian Jones I tana ara I te kapa ōpango. Nā, rua te kau ngā tau kua whakapau kaha mo te tima nei. No te marama kua pahuri I whai tūranga ia, hei kaimana hautu ki tēnei o ngā whare.
The first week here at the All Black Experience, the General Manager, has been super exciting. I'm so pumped to be able to share our wider, that spirit of the black jersey. And, opportunities come along time in your life and you take those opportunities. I guess I did that as a player. I know so much about being an All Black, what it's like to be an All Black, what it takes to be an All Black, and that's just a chance for me at this experience to be able to share that.
He pūnaha tāpoi nā Ngāi Tahu, ki roto o tāmaki makaurau, kia ruku hohonu ngā manuhiri, ki te hitori o te kapa ōpango. Hei tā te mana hautu o Ngāi Tahu Tourism, a Jolanda Cave, ka re he tangata I tuatu I a Jones.
I think you only need to talk to him for about 5 minutes to hear the extreme passion that he has for All Blacks experience, and he's been there since day one. He knows the kaimahi on the ground. He knows what we need to do. He's connected with New Zealand rugby. He's just a natural fit.
This is our legacy walls, the Awa Manawa, the flowing river, the flowing heartbeat of the All Black experience. Shows every man, and we've got one for our black ferns who've ever worn the black jersey. You get a number, a special number. I'm All Black number 902. So we've got this guy here to thank, Ngāi Tahu warrior, Tom Ellison, for us wearing a black jersey. All Black number 23.
He kāwai whakapapa ōna ki roto o Kāti Huirapa ki Puketeraki rūnaka, a e poho keruru ana kia hau mai ia ki tēnei kaupapa tāpoi o Ngāi Tahu.
We all feel so supported and blessed to be around Ngāi Tahu. Right from the off, they got who we were as All Blacks. They understood our values, they understood who we were, they've been so respectful.
Me te mea hoki, he hoki ngā mahara ki te wā e mauana a Jones I te poraka pango.
One favourite part of the All Black experience, it is the tunnel experience, because I haven't played for the All Blacks for 20 plus years. But when I walk down that tunnel, start to hear the anthem, start to hear the crowd noise, I get spine tingling, I get anxious like I did when I was a player, my heart rate goes up, I get goosebumps, and I feel like I'm walking down the tunnel again to take on the opposition, to represent the All Blacks. That is my moment. The difference between good and great is how you handle that walk down the tunnel.
E hi kaka ana a Jones ki te tūtaki I ngā kaitākoro rangatahi ki te wāhi nei. Kia whanake mai tā rātou ara for tuporo. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.